Consumers today are becoming more and more aware. People are moving towards edge of supremacy. And to stand tall in this market, everyone needs to deliver excellence. Believing in the philosophy that the customer is the king and they deserve the best is what kept us going for over a decade. Since 1990, we are providing the optimal sieving and filtering solutions. And through a constant innovation and manpower who have been supporting us from years together, we have helped many industries delivering the excellence. Welcome to our family. Welcome to Galaxy SIFTech. Every machine at Galaxy SIFTech begins its journey from a design table, where our designers work towards designing ideas for clients and turning those ideas into new products. Once the design is on paper, it goes through a panel of experts who, with their knowledge and experience, verify the designs. While taking control of best quality practices, we have established all essential in-house departments, which removes the need of an external vendor. We use a cutting-edge technology to give in the best finished products. Keeping safety and hygiene parameters first, we always keep our floors clean and ensure that our workers get on the floor with proper safety measures. Quality is the foundation of our company and is fully embedded in our purpose, process, and values. Fostering a quality mindset with the objective of developing and manufacturing world-class sieving and filtering equipments with zero defects that are trusted and preferred by all sublime industries. Our R&D team always works hard to add new technologies and make the process easier for customers' customized needs. And having in-house trial department enables us to deliver client requirement precisely. Committed to offering uncompromising product quality, Galaxy SIFTech has a strong after-sales service teams of highly skilled and qualified professionals who can provide quick support anywhere in the world. Our constant innovations and commitments towards quality has attracted big and small brands, and in return, we are quite successful in gaining trust of many Fortune 500 companies. Understanding the responsibility towards the environment and for better future, we have powered out plant with solar panels. A great work with minuscule details is what we like to do. Our customers get back to us for quality and trust that they have in us. We would like to thank everyone for their love and support for many years. Let's give the customers the best of your brand.